Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So on this channel we've done several videos where I've shown you how easy it is to turn your profitable forex trading strategy into a forex robot by yourself. No coding needed, for free, using recently we've been using an EA builder called forex FX streamer. You can watch the previous videos. However, many of you have been also asking me about making robots for MetaTrader 5. Unfortunately, for FX Streamer, if you are going to make robots you for free, you can only make them for MetaTrader 4 and using less than 10 blocks. That's the free version. If you want to make robots for MetaTrader 5, you just need to make a small deposit. It's worth it if you're going to make a robot that's going to make you a lot of money, as well as if you are going to sell your robot, then you can easily recover that money that you would have paid to FX Streamer. However, I know many of you want to make these robots for free for MetaTrader 5. So I previously used this tool, so I'm just going to show you again how to use this tool, and you can make for MetaTrader 5. So not to complicate our things, I'm going to use this example. We turned this strategy into a forex robot yesterday. Watch that video after finishing watching this one if you want to learn more about how to turn this strategy into a forex robot on FX Dreamer. I think after finishing this video, I'll just also put the files in a folder, and I will link it in the video description. Then you can basically download it. So yeah, let's go to that tool that we're going to use to turn this into a forex robot for MetaTrader 5. So it's called fxeaadvisor.com. fxeaadvisor.com. So you can make free forex robots for MetaTrader 4 and for MetaTrader 5. You can see here they say our the new MQL5 EA builder is here. So you just go there and you just click there, and you are going to be taken to that MetaTrader 5 EA builder, or you can use this one. This one is for MetaTrader 4, this one is for MetaTrader 5. Here you can get some documentation. I guess it's some tutorial or some idea on how you can actually use this tool. So it's almost free because of these adverts. So I think it's part of how they are keeping things for free. So yeah, so let's get into how we can turn our strategy into an automated trading system using this EA builder. And we are building for MetaTrader 5. So we are going to go here, or you can click here. Let's just click there. Okay. So it's going to take us here. So here we are going to put our buy conditions, and then we are going to come here and we are going to put our sell conditions, our close buy conditions to close this buy, our conditions to close the sell before opening a buy, and the works the same way for the sell trades as well. Then we are going to have some options. Here you can set magic number, lot sizing, stop loss, take profit, trailing stop. Then here we can generate the code. So let's just start here. So the first thing that we want to set for our buy conditions, is we want our moving average 3 to be above moving average 9 for our buy condition. So that's what we are going to set here. We are going to select there. We are going to look for moving average. There's our moving average. And we are going to leave time as current, or you can set it to whatever you want it, but let's use the current time frame on the chart. Period, we said 3. Shift, you must keep it at 0 unless you want to maybe play around with it. Just keep it at 0. Then moving average type, we are going to select, I love EMAs, but you can use whatever moving average that you love. This smooth moving average, exponential, I think this is what, SMMA, well, what is it, then LWMA, whatever moving average you like. I love exponential, so that's what I'm going to take there. Then obviously price, which price are you going to use? I usually use close. Then shift again, we're going to use 0. Is some of the these numbers are just popping up because previously on this channel I showed you how you can use this tool as well. Maybe you would have forgotten, but anyway, so we want it to be above. This is the above. We want it to be above. What you notice is why sometimes I default to FX Dreamer is sometimes you get this tool. I don't think it has the other things that you can use for your robot. So we said 9. For example, when you want to place those blocks and stuff, watch the other video on this channel. You cannot do that with this EA builder, but it works. For the other things, it works, especially if you are looking to make things for MetaTrader 5. So this is our buy condition. First of all, we want our moving average to be above, moving average 3 to be above 9, and we know that's a buy condition. This is a buy condition, and we want our stochastic 533 to be above the line 20. So how do we put that in? We simply come here and we add another condition on top of our moving average. We come here and we select stochastic, and we are going to use current time frame. K period, I think that's the 5. Then this one will be 3 and this one will be 3. Method, we can use SMA or you can use whatever you want. Here you can use the main line or the signal line. From yesterday, you understand that I think the dotted line is the signal line and this solid line is the main line. So whatever line you choose to use. So we are going to use, maybe let's use main. You can always come back and whatever is not working for you. So that's shift, we made it 0, and we want it to be greater than, we're going to put value, which is the line 20. So that's our buy condition. Our sell condition is going to be the same, and it's going to be what? The opposite of this and this. We're going to just change this, but it's going to be like the opposite. So let's go to open sell. So I'm just going to like run through here so that we don't spend the whole day here.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive. instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words you can say.
Okay, so everything is set for our buy and our sell. Now we want, before we can buy, we want what? To close sales. Before we open a sell, we want to close any buys so that our robot doesn't place buys and sells at the same time. So to close a buy, it's the same conditions here, the same conditions that we have here. Once these conditions appear, we are going to tell our robot to what? To close any buys. So let's just go and put that in again.
I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take I got no love.
So you can basically also choose to have the stochastic for the close of the buy, or you can use basically the moving average cross as the only condition to close the buy. But since we are doing this, let's just use both conditions. Once both conditions have appeared, we just close the buy.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through.
Okay, so that's how we use this to close the buy. Now to close any sales, we are going to use these conditions, because these same conditions, when they appear, that's when we are saying it's time to close any sales. So again, we are just going to use these conditions.
It can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, it's the world honestly burning. That's all I'm learning, hope that we can make a turn and start reversing. All our minds and put the work in, we got some work, man. I started to do. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it.
Now that's done. So we are basically sorted with the main part of the robot. So you can see the differences between using this free EA builder with using FX Dreamer. There's a lot of typing going on instead of just dragging and dropping like you do in FX Dreamer. But it works. It works for MetaTrader 5. It's free, so why not use it? So now we come to options. Here we are going to set the magic number for our robot. You can leave it as is, or you can set in any random number there. uh, Magic numbers are important so that the robot knows it's able to identify the trades that it took based on the magic numbers attached to those trades, so it knows how to manage only the trades that it took. So now here you can use whatever lot sizing that you want. I know people have been asking me about MetaTrader 5 because they want to trade things like synthetic indices. So here you can basically set whatever lot sizing you want for your synthetic index, or whatever stop loss that you want. Maybe let's just keep 50, or maybe you can leave it at 0, whatever rocks your boat really. Then trailing stop, the distance that you want the trailing stop to be, or you can use a 0 to disable any trailing stops. So really, it's basically up to you. Maybe I'll just say at 30, start trailing my trade. Take profit, maybe let's just put in or so that times 2 our stop loss. That's it for this section. Then you come to this section, expert advisor code. So this is where you are actually going to get the actual code. Now you are actually going to get the MQL5 file. Then you are going to put it in your MetaTrader 5, and obviously I'll probably show you how you can then make it to be an executable file that can work. But you are basically getting the what MQL5 file. So here we say generate file, the MQL5 file, generate. So this is the code for our robot. If you have a minimal understanding of MQL5 or MQL4, I mean, you can basically understand what will be happening. Some of these, for example, this is for trailing stop. This is for positions. These are the conditions that we put in, the EMAs, the moving averages. So you can basically go into this code and sometimes be able, without coming back to this EA builder, just go in there and click in whatever you put in. For example, you can already see here that's our moving average 3, that's the moving average 9, and this is probably for the buy, and this will probably be for the sell, because you can see that condition and that condition. But you can basically do this, guys. So that's basically our code. We are now going to just name it. It's already given a default name there. So let's just maybe leave it like that. MA stocky, maybe because of moving averages plus stochastic. Let me just call it stocky with a Y. Stocky, stocky. So MA stocky EA, and then you save. So that's your MQ5 source code there. If you don't know how to use MQ5 source code in MetaTrader 5, well, leave your comment in the comment section below. Then I'll definitely do a video showing you how to do that. I don't know if you were following this, if you are following what we did here. I don't even know if you need to download this file. Tell me if you want to do it. Again, if you have a strategy that you want to try us to build for MetaTrader 5, if you have anything that you want us to build for MetaTrader 5, maybe using this EA builder, if you are trading boom and crash, if you are trading synthetic indices, if you are trading whatever you are trading, and you have a mechanical strategy. What do we mean by mechanical strategies? things like that use indicators, not things where you are like you are looking for an MW pattern or a flag and stuff like that. Those strategies are not easy to make. But this mechanical where you are looking for moving average to do this and moving average to do that and stochastic to do that, those are easy to turn into forex robots. So yeah, leave your comments in the comment section below if you want the source code or if you want us to make another robot using this EA builder for MetaTrader 5. Otherwise, guys, that's it for today's video. I hope it helps you. Uh, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
I wish when I first saw you, I knew this. When I'm with you, I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you, I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm.